Hello. So I got another box delivered and yeah, some fun stuff in here. So this is all of the Christmas range. So I've got a couple of little freebies. There's a backpack. Now some of these freebies came with the I Want It All set, which is still available. So if you've got a lot of gifts to give and that kind of thing, then that's a great option. And we've also got a little exfoliating glove. This was a freebie if you buy one of the gifts. And some of these gifts I absolutely love. And yeah, little sneak peek at what I might be giving this season. So first one that I've pulled out, and hey, isn't this packaging gorgeous, right? First one I've pulled out is the Holiday All Is Calm bundle. Now in here, it slides open and we have the Dream Tea, which I love of an evening just to help calm down and, you know, get me off to sleep. It's got chamomile, sweet basil, lemon balm, peppermint, lavender and valerian, so really good for a good night's sleep. And also the Inner Calm ashwagandha. Now as a yoga teacher as well, I love this Inner Calm adaptogenic de-stress powder. It has ashwagandha and saffron in it, which from an Ayurvedic perspective are really good to help reduce stress levels and relaxation. And most of this packaging is recyclable and that kind of thing as well, so absolutely brilliant. And hey, I love this color. So I've got a few more things in here. Next one after the, well, I'm almost calling it a relaxation set. We've also got a set that's really good, another nutrition set, which is great for immune support, which, let's face it, a lot of us get quite stressed and that can affect our immune function around this time of year as we head into that busy time of year. So we've got our little immunity bundle, so very similar packaging, and this has the immunity fizz and also the mushroom daily defense powder. So both of those really good for supporting immune function. And the immunity fizz has Arbonne galactan, zinc and vitamin D, so all of which really good for supporting immune function. And how many of us, let's face it, a lot of us are probably a little bit vitamin D deficient, and that plays a role in so many of our body's functions. So another really great one to get onto this holiday season. Next off the rank, this is our Shea Butter Hand Care Duo. So this comes, I'm not going to open this is all sealed, but it comes in the same packaging as our standard Shea Butter range. So it's got the winter citrus scent, which Arbonne often brings out every winter, which is absolutely gorgeous. So love this as well. And then we've got a couple of little smaller ones through the range as well. We've got our little Pampermint foot care set. So if I open this one up, it has our fluffy red socks, and so bed socks, and it's also got a foot scrub and also a foot cream as well. So gorgeous. Great for those of us who are always on our feet and that kind of thing. So yeah, get on to that one. For the, I don't know, maybe for the mum in your life, if that's, you know, not going to offend her too much, of course. And that's the Shea Butter one that we've already looked at. And then we have our Body Care Mini Duo. So this is some of the body care that came out just recently. And these are great for travel. So it's got a little skin oil, a hydrating skin oil. Now this is going to be great for holidays and travel and that kind of thing. So I'm actually going to put one of these in my travel bag for when I travel. You know how you sometimes get your skin gets a bit dehydrated when you're out in the sun and that kind of thing. So that's going to be brilliant for that. And a Body Care resurfacer or resurfacing exfoliator. I'll get the name right yet. So brilliant for holidays, both of those sort of, I'm calling those little mini travel sizes. And then we have another one of those body kits because I want one for me. And last but not least, we have a couple of little fun bits. We've got a Shea Butter hand cream. So this is a handbag sized hand cream, and that is in a vanilla cashmere scent. So smells gorgeous, that one. And that's in a tube as well. So yeah, as I said, handbag sized. So great if you want something a little bit different for your handbag, maybe a different scent or something like that. Or just to have on hand to give to, I don't know, teachers, colleagues, anyone who you need a nice, I guess, nice, non-offensive gift for. Well, maybe not for the men in your life if I'm being sexist, but yeah. Then we have a couple of little makeup ones as well, which I love. So we've got the Mini Glam set, which has both a mini mascara and a lip oil as well. So the lip oil is like a gorgeous little cross between a balm and a gloss, and it's in this sort of browny nudie sort of colour. So by the time that goes on, it's going to be a sort of a nudie colour, and a little mini mascara as well. So they have these, most years they do little mini mascaras, so they've brought those back again this year, which I love for my handbag actually. So that's going to be a great little handbag one. And you can probably guess here, inside here, it is in bubble wrap, it does come in bubble wrap, but it's actually an eyeshadow palette which they've brought back. And it's been a little while since Arbonne has released a eyeshadow palette, as you probably know. And this one, absolutely gorgeous. So it's got the same colour tones, a cream colour with the burgundy sort of highlight. And it's this gorgeous shimmery, or these gorgeous sort of shimmery colours. So lots of sort of pearls and a gold colour, and a little sort of rose, almost rose gold colour, and a brownie colour which almost has a little bit of a blue hue to it when you get it in the sunlight. And then you've got your jade or green, slightly greeny, bluey colour as well. So absolutely gorgeous. I like this jade colour for summer, so absolutely brilliant. So get onto that. Gorgeous for creating all of your holiday looks. And I think I might have to do a little review of that one and show you some holiday makeup looks with that one. So there's our holiday range, and a few things that I am queuing up for. So get onto that. If you do need any help with your Christmas shopping, I would love to help out. So have a great rest of your day.